With most manufacturers offering a wide range of trim choices for each model, often a car up here can present itself much differently than one down here. And that's certainly the case with this top trim Altima 3.5 SL, which ups the ante in every regard. So my first new Altima test drive last year was in a white 2.5 SV model that didn't exactly move the buzz needle. Family sedans aren't necessarily the most exciting cars to begin with, but that particular stripped 4-cylinder model had me thinking Nissan had swung and missed again. But much to my delight and surprise, this top trim 3.5 SL restored my faith in the Altima as a frontrunner. Sure, I like more amenities in my car. Who doesn't? And the SL packs in all the good stuff and then adds xenon headlights, leather seating, and an incredible sounding Bose audio system to boot. But the transformation from rental car to sports sedan really begins elsewhere. Though the trend has been to drop the V6 from family sedan offerings, Nissan sticks with this excitable 270 horsepower engine, which works harmoniously with the new CVT. And what a difference it makes. This has been Nissan's bread and butter engine for years, and they've really honed their craft. Its power is an eye-opener, running to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds, and it plays much better with this next-gen continuously variable transmission, adding a big dose of refinement. It's chain-driven versus belt on the 4-cylinder models, and comes with these oversized fixed paddle shifters, which mimic shift points for 7 gears. Gas mileage is V6 acceptable at 22 mpg city, 31 highway. The powertrain is quieter and much more responsive, instantly injecting a premium feel that awakens the soul. The 3.5 SL also rides on high-performance Dunlop SP Sport 7000 tires, which not only aid in the Altima's sporty handling, but revive the crisp and communicative steering as well. Active understeer control, along with the use of high-end shock absorbers, delivers a fun-to-drive, racy character while maintaining excellent ride quality. It's truly a car you'd look forward to driving every day, and not just because of how it moves. These NASA-inspired zero-gravity seats, which reduce muscular and spinal loads, are the real deal, and not just a marketing ploy. Indeed, the leather bests the cloth from my previous tester in both appearance and texture, including on the steering wheel that now has the perfect grip. My car adds the technology package, including the blind spot warning, lane departure warning, and moving object detection trifecta, and a navigation system. The array of electronic safety and creature conveniences in the SL is encompassing, yet the Navi is a step backwards, and uses the slow process of dialing your smartphone to download POI and other information. I didn't like it in the Sentra, and it's even more out of place in a $30,000 car. Msrp of my chock-full tester is $32,625, but the price differential between a 2.5 SL and a 3.5 SL is a more palatable $2,900. The 20% you'll lose in fuel economy, you'll more than make up for in driving enjoyment. For Drive Time, I'm Steve Hammis.